You're gonna hear all that on
We still
video.
need to put the balloon back together. And quick! The balloon festival is going to start really, really soon. Let's put the pieces back on, Rinsu. Okay. Here are the teeth. I'll do it. Or maybe not. Kylan, Stumpy's the only one who can reach high enough. We need his help. I know, Rinsu. But Stumpy said he won't help. And if this balloon isn't finished soon, we won't make it to the balloon festival. Stumpy won't help Kylan? But Kylan needs help. Kylan can't finish putting the balloon back together without stopping. He's the only one who can reach high enough. I don't get it. I wonder why Stompy won't help Kylan. Let's find out why Stompy won't help Kylan. Remember what happened when Kylan knocked over the dinosaur balloon by accident? Oops! All the pieces fell on the ground. Did Stompy help Kylan? Or did he walk away?